So let's start with a simple activity, that is put down your name, your location and profession in your chat box so that we can know each other. I know most of you, but yeah, some of you are new. So let's know each other, and then we will be able to orient ourselves in this internet world in a better manner. So put down your name, location and profession on the chat box so that हम सब लोग एक दूसरे से जानने लग जाएं. And now we'll start with a small activity. I'll be showing you a slide. There you need to count the number of squares. That is, how many squares are you able to see? So let me show the slide.
अभी उनका कैश का उनका कुछ फाइनल नहीं हुआ बैंक का, वो कह रहे मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, so let me show the slide to you now. So how many squares are you able to see? Let's start in a different manner. How many squares are you able to see on the slide? Put down on the chat. So it's just 17 or more than that. ये 17 ही है या उससे ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं?
More than that, 17, 18, 19.
Yeah, so how much is this? थोड़ा सा और ट्राई करें. You are very near. Sunil ji is saying 22. Anurag ji is also saying. Ashwani ji is saying 40. Okay. So okay, let us see how many squares are there. It's actually 30 because 1 by 1 it is 16. Then 2 by 2 it is 9 squares.
Yes, 3 by 3, 4.
3 by 3, 4, and 4 by 4, 1, the bigger one. So that's why there are 30 squares. So what are the key learnings from this activity? क्या major learning है इस activity से? Anybody? What we have learned from this activity? Who will answer this? You can unmute and speak it out. Or type on the chat box. I'll read. Look holistically. Sunil ji is saying very valid point. We need to. Yes. Please come in. जो बोलना चाहते हैं, please unmute and speak.
एक्चुअली बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स होते हैं जिनको हमें कंसीडर करना चाहिए, सिर्फ एक पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं देखना चाहिए.
Absolutely, we need to see from different perspectives. So कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसके कई सारे सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, लेकिन कई बार हम स्टक हो जाते हैं and we feel very frustrated. या हम राइट सॉल्यूशन पे नहीं जाते, या we are unable to realize the potential. That's a very good point. Let me read the chat also. Many of you have.
And one more point, like when we see that box and then when we see, we react immediately. We should take time and then react, like after taking all the things in a parameter.
Yes, yes. So we need to respond rather than react. So we need to check and then accordingly respond. Definitely, that's a very valid point. So in a nutshell, we need to think out of the box. एक chat पे भी message आया था, thinking out of the box, thinking beyond those 30 squares, thinking beyond those 16 squares. There can be more than 30 also. कई बार कहते हैं 3-dimensional भी हो सकता है. So there would be more than 30 squares also. जैसे अश्वनी जी said 40. So there can be a possibility. And don't decide on only half the options. कई बार हम बहुत जल्दी decide कर देते हैं, जल्दी in a way कि we don't see the other options. So let us see the other options and then decide. And last point is very, very crucial, that you can see and do more through group dynamics. Group dynamics, 1 plus 1 is not just 2. It can be 11. It can be more than 11. Yes, because the group dynamics always help us to solve the problem in a innovative manner. Like in a group, we have come to this number 40 also. अगर इंडिविजुअली होता तो we would have restricted just to 16 or 20. Okay, now coming to the next point of the day, which is important. What is the top challenge that you are facing during these times? Yes, what is the top challenge? Because now in a notepad, you can write down, not only chat box, but notepad, आपके आसपास या कोई पेपर हो, तो उस पे आप लिख सकते हैं all the challenges which you are facing during these times, all the major challenges which you are facing. Because when we start thinking deeply, when we start thinking beyond what is obvious, then we go to the depth of the situation. In the same way, now we are thinking in depth and we are finding out the challenges which we are facing, and then write down the top challenge out of this on the chat box. Because in this webinar, you would be able to address that challenge today itself. You would be able to transform yourself by the blueprint which I will be discussing today. By the blueprint, if we follow that blueprint, if we follow those steps, so we would be able to achieve what we are capable of achieving. Yes, so that's why, but first step is to identify the topmost challenge. Jitendra ji is saying unable to focus. Yes, and okay, that's a valid, because ये बहुत common है, और मैंने भी कई बार, I remember the days when I started my business journey, when I started my entrepreneurial journey, my challenge was lack of prioritization. I was unable to focus in a right manner. Lack of planning was another challenge which I faced at that time. Anurag ji is saying health risk, yeah, sustenance to business and growth. Sustainability is also a challenge. That is having growth long term, having growth holistically. Businesses are slowing down. Traveling is a constraint. Yeah, external factors are there. So now we need to identify what can be done with respect to that, these challenges. But yeah, in a summary, these are the major challenges which as a business owner or a business leader that we all are facing. So it's like cash flow going down, or the sales or the income is going down, or we are unable to meet the goals that we have set in for, or how to have manage oneself, how to manage our focus, how to manage the stakeholders, that is the vendors, the clients. All these are the challenges that we are facing. So what to do under this situation? Under this situation, we know this part, that is we have to move from fear zone to growth zone. We need to move from fear to growth, fear to growth. How can we move from fear to growth? Learning, upskilling, that is the bridge between fear to growth. And all of you are here today, that is showing that you are committed. Such a lovely audience is there. Lovely business leaders are there with me. All of you are committed to grow yourself, because you are here to learn. You are here, you are devoting your 1 hour, 1.5 hours, so that you can learn and then you can have that trajectory of growth. Yes, learning is that bridge. Learning is the #1 investment that we can do in ourselves. Because जो सीखता है वही जीतता है, जो सीखता है वही जीतता है. That's why we can say further that if we have to transcend our fears, if we have to go beyond our fears, we have to become transformational leaders to achieve this sustainable growth. And this next 40-45 minutes will help you, will give you some direction that how can we become transformational leaders. Of course, then the execution part will be there, which I will be leaving it to you. But then this is very important, next 45 minutes. It can be a rebirth. It can be a reinvention, which we'll do for ourselves. Because as a transformational leader, we can visualize who are transformational leaders. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther, Narendra Modi ji. So all of them are transformational leaders. Yes, they are role models. They are very good in communication. They inspire people to act. I'm not saying that they are perfect, but they are always willing to improve, and we all can be in that mindset. We all can be. Yes, if we follow this blueprint, which have been followed by millions of people worldwide. Yes, because our blueprint is the genesis of LMI, Leadership Management International, which is world's largest people development company. So out of that, I have created this blueprint, which is really applied in 86 countries and more than 4 million people have done. Let's understand the steps. Let us understand and follow these steps in our life. First step is identifying our gap areas. What are the different performance issues? So am I audible? I am with all of you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks a
Yes,
lot.
yes.
So that your voice is giving me energy, your symbol, your gesture is giving me energy, and I'm really happy to be with all of you. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Okay, the first step is identifying the performance issues, the gap areas, which we'll be discussing in the coming slides. So the gap can be either within oneself or dealing with others. Like Ms. Priyanka was saying in the beginning of this webinar about relationships, about communication. It is about dealing with others. Or it can be within oneself. That is time management. Like as I was mentioning, that I had this top challenge of lack of prioritization, self-management. So these can be the important leadership gap areas that we are talking about. After identifying the gap areas, then we need to work on it. And the best way to work on it is to tie that with results. Tie the gap areas with the results if we cover those gaps. Jaise, if we become better in self-management, then we can achieve, say, better sales, or I can give more time for fitness. So I need to then develop smart goals with respect to that particular area of the life, and in fact in all the areas of the life. So I'll be discussing this part also in detail. Then the third part is implementation will not be just by speaking as we are going today. No, all this is experiential. So we need to apply the concepts in our life, in our day-to-day life. That will lead to behavior change. Behavior change happens when negative habits are replaced by positive habits, because attitude is everything. I will come to that point also in detail. And the fourth point is very important, that because whatever we can measure, we can manage, and we get happiness out of it. Yeah, there is a progress. Even though there can be very small progress in the beginning, शुरू में बहुत small progress होगी, that's fine, but 1% improvement every day. That's why this blueprint is do 1%, 100% done. 1% improvement every day, we can achieve great amount of results in the coming times, because this will give you slight edge. Slight edge, like if we see a horse race, the difference between the winner and the second one is very minuscule, but then there's huge difference in the results. So that is the slight edge that we need to have for ourselves also. Okay, now coming, why this blueprint is important, how this can help us. As I was discussing, it cures the key reasons of the leadership failure. और यहाँ कोई लीडरशिप कोई बहुत लंबी चौड़ी बहुत जैसे देश को हेड कर रहे हैं हम वैसी लीडरशिप की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. लीडरशिप इज एट ऑल द लेवल्स. It is at the micro level also. If we are part of the family and we are head of the family, we are the leader of that family. Even if we are just a part of one position where there is no subordinate, still I am the leader, because I have to report to myself. I have to be accountable to myself. So that's why each one of us are leader and we need to be transformational leader. And how can we do that? So we can see here the major factors that we need to address. First point is interpersonal leadership skills. That is how we deal with each other, how we create relationship with others, how we communicate. All this is very crucial for achievement of success. And the second point is also very important, which is self-management. Managing oneself. अगर मैं अपने स्टाफ को कहता हूं कि भाई तुम्हें 10 बजे आना है और मैं खुद ही 11 बजे आऊं, तो will they come? Maybe one day, 2 days, and then they will also follow me. They will also say, okay, ठीक है, वो तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. So that's why we need to be a role model. If we are saying something to others, we need to follow ourselves also. So that's why personal skills are very important. And that is 45%. And this is, the research is done by Marshall Goldsmith and others who are gurus of leadership arena, global gurus. So this research is being propounded by them. And then the next factor is also very important, because we have just 40 minutes, so I have to be on toes to discuss the key concepts. Then the self-responsibility is very important. We can't blame others for the lack of the results that we want to achieve in our life. If you see here, study of 1200 managers found only 4% were true peak performers. और वो कौन थे जिन्होंने 100% responsibility ली अपने लिए. They took 100% responsibility. That is, they avoided excuses. They avoided this word try. हाँ मैं try करूंगा. जब मैं ये कहता हूं हाँ मैं try करूंगा, इसका मतलब कहीं ना कहीं self doubt आ जाता है. और self doubt आता है तो वो फिर हो नहीं पाता है. So either do or not to do. So that's why moving from self doubt to self responsibility. So this blueprint will help you in moving in that zone of self responsibility. And further, we need to see transformational leaders are 130% more effective than transactional leaders, because the attitudinal motivation comes from the transformational leaders. Because as a transformational leader, you are aligning your goals with your team's goal, with your family goals. You are giving time to understand them. You are giving time to know about them. And then you are aligning the goals, which will give them also the motivation to give their best. Rather than we seeking and saying always with a danda, that will not help them. They would do for some time and then they will be immune to our danda. So that's why we need to remove that danda, and then we need to have focus on attitudinal motivation. So let's move further. So blueprint helps you in becoming this transformational leader. Now I would like to share my story here, because I follow these steps, and you can see today I am using my knowledge, I'm using my passion as my profession. But yeah, as a baby, I struggled to survive because I was suffering from a severe disease. Until age 5, I didn't have the salt. Till age 5, because of that disease, I didn't have the salt. And when I was in class 9th, I failed in maths exam. Today, I am coaching on financial and leadership issues. But then in 9th class, this happened to me. And then the failure didn't stop there. As when I graduated from MDI, I was very confident. And then I joined and I started on my own. But in the initial years of my career, I was not successful because I was not following the basics. And then I started realizing in 2006, I started realizing, analyzing myself, that where I can improve. What are the shortcomings? I started working on my skills. I started working on my shortcomings like poor planning, prioritization, lack of delegation, lack of good communication with others. So I started honing myself daily, every day, and I started investing millions of rupees on me. That helped me in transforming myself. And today we are coach to many organizations. So a simple person like me can do, all of you are hugely talented. You can do much better. So are you willing to give your 100%? To give your 100% to become transformational leaders, to achieve what you want to achieve in your life? Type on the chat, yes, yes, oh yes, yes, and yes only. So you can type that on the chat box so that we can see that you are with me. Great, thank you. So now I will not waste further time. That is, I'll be discussing now these steps in detail. So let me discuss these simple steps, but very, very important. Very, very important, and it can be transformational when it is being applied, as has been applied by many here in the participant list. I am seeing that they have applied. First, let's come to the first point here, which is identifying the performance issues which we were discussing. Now, as I was discussing that the performance issues will be relating to oneself. So let's do an exercise. Let us do an exercise. I will display a list of competencies. मैं आपको कुछ competencies अभी दिखाता हूँ. So it's kind of an interactive webinar. It's not just a one-way street. Let's make it interactive. Let's make it workshop. That is, we need to work on to ourselves and apply that further after the webinar. So मैं कुछ competencies दिखाता हूँ. Select 5 that are essentials to improve for yourself. Select the 5 which are your performance blockers right now. And absence of these impact your success. So let me show. And if you have any query, you can unmute and ask me. So out of these, select 5, which is blocking your performance, which is becoming a roadblock. Roadblock वो बन रहा है आपके performance में, speed breaker, simple language में. तो इनमें से आप 5 select कर लीजिए. Starting from low planning, ineffective delegation, lack of, as per the current scenario. And then out of the 5, write the topmost on the chat box. Which one is the skill that you want to improve, right, in the current scenario, which can really improve your performance? Now here I will invite Ashwani ji, who had applied the blueprint by doing the program EPP, Effective Personal Productivity, where we have discussed these things in detail. So I will invite Ashwani ji to share his experience, which gap areas he was able to plug. Share his nostalgic journey in a minute. Yes, Ashwani ji.
See, what I could learn from the program over the last 5-6 months being with Rahul ji was, the biggest one was attitudinal and the behavioral change, which has brought our mind to look and go for a change in the entire business scenario, making us, more disciplined and focused, scheduling time, work in a very, very time-bound manner, prioritizing the high value activities, control on stress and time management, leadership skills, avoiding interruptions, and sustaining the improvements done during the program, because learned were many things during those last 6 months. How many we are able to sustain in our day-to-day scenario in our existing business is of topmost importance.
So what has been the impact? Say, let's take one of the parameters here, Ashwani ji. which is most important, which was most important at that point, तो उसका क्या impact आया?
See, all this has helped us to improve upon the business growth to say around 10 to 12% over the last financial year, that is 1920. And despite being in this pandemic situation in the year 2021, because April we didn't work, but we started to some extent, and then we have improved upon drastically in the last 6-7 months to ensure that what we were in 1920, we have almost come to the same stage in this 7-8 months. By doing this exercise with LMI, I'm pretty sure that the next 6 months we'll be on definitely a better trajectory path to follow, in the sense that this year the business growth will be up by 15% year ending 2021, that is 31st March. That is quite sure.
Brilliant, brilliant. Applause to your efforts. Great, Ashwani ji. Thank you for your sharing. Now let's come to the second point, which is about developing SMART goals and plan of action. Because if you are able to identify your performance blockers, then let's focus on our goals. That if you are able to cover up those gap areas, then what kind of goals would you be able to achieve? And it's not just one area, that is your financial. It should be with respect to all the areas, so that we have the balance in our life. So if we have got a lot of money and if we are not healthy, then we won't be able to enjoy that money, isn't it? What we'll do out of that money if we don't have the health? So that's why let's have SMART goals in all these areas of the life, which will help you to cover up the areas where your happiness is less. So this particular activity leads to more happiness, and our happiness quotient enhances when we start working on our SMART goals and we have SMART actions towards that. For this, let's have a sharing. Let's make it more interactive. So I'll now call Satyendra ji. Yeah, Satyendra ji. So how you have been able to set SMART goals and what is the impact in your wheel of life?
एक्चुअली सर हमने अपने जो विन विन गोल में बनाया और हमने 3 गोल अपने सेट किए थे. तो फर्स्ट गोल वाज द व्हीकल यूटिलाइजेशन. तो ऑलरेडी आई हैव सोर्स्ड द डेटा. हम लोग 90% मोर देन 90% हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं. और व्हीकल यूटिलाइजेशन में था कि एक हमारी डिस्पैच व्हीकल होती है, उसको कितना कैपेसिटी, मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी हम कितना रह जाता है. 100% मान लीजिए 35 टन का व्हीकल है तो उसमें कितना % हम भर सकते हैं और डिस्पैच कर सकते हैं. उससे हमारा क्या हुआ कि उससे कॉस्ट बेनिफिट हमको आया कि एवरी व्हीकल में ऑलमोस्ट अगर इन टर्म्स ऑफ रुपीज बोले तो लगभग 2000 रुपीज का बेनिफिट हुआ. तो हमने मंथली कितना हुआ और ईयरली जाके लगभग 7 लाख रुपीज का एटलीस्ट अपने को बेनिफिट आता है उसमें. दैट इज द विन विन गोल. तो ये जो गोल प्रायोरिटाइजेशन आपने बोला वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. हमने रिटर्न गोल किया, उसके अपने सीनियर के साथ गाइडेंस में हमने उसको आगे फॉलो किया, अपने जूनियर्स के साथ डेली फॉलोअप में रहा और उसके बाद हमने अचीव किया.
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द गोल्स इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ?
यस, हमने जैसे कि आपने बताया, मैंने आपको बताया था कि 2 पर्सनल गोल हमने लिए थे. द फ्यूचर सेविंग फॉर द चाइल्ड. तो उसमें हमने क्या किया कि 20,000 एटलीस्ट मिनिमम वी आर सेविंग इन एवरी मंथ. तो जैसे मैंने बताया कि मैंने 2 मंथ हमने नहीं सेव किया था, तो लास्ट मंथ मैंने 2 मंथ का एक साथ डाला और हम डेली हर मंथ का ट्रैकिंग कर रहे हैं इन एक्सेल सीट. और हमने नेक्स्ट 2036 का जो प्लान किया हुआ है, कितना अमाउंट हमें चाहिए, वो अमाउंट के हिसाब से लगभग अपने को इतना अमाउंट लगभग हमें 20,000 मिनिमम पर मंथ अपने को सेव करना है. Second one was the personality development for self.
Was that important for you, the saving one?
Yes, it's most important actually.
Why?
Actually, in future, मान लीजिए कि हमें फ्यूचर में हमारा बेबी बड़ा होता है, 12th class, we need to some amount of the money for the admission in the graduation, maybe BTech, maybe some any other higher education. Then that time we need to require some amount of the money. So that's why we have to plan in this time. Then it will be accumulated and it will be helpful in the future. मुझे फ्यूचर में भी ये काम आएगा. जैसे मान लीजिए कुछ अमाउंट, मान लीजिए 30 लाख रुपीस हमें उस समय होगा और कुछ हमारे पास और भी एडिशनल होगा तो हम उससे मैनेज कर पाएंगे इजिली, तो द स्ट्रेस विल बी रिड्यूस एंड गोल भी इजिली कैन अचीव.
Okay, great sharing. Now I will ask some other person, like those who have not done our program or those who are new to this. Sushil ji, I think he has just joined for the first time. Formally, this is an orientation program. तो अभी ये जब हम कोचिंग सेशंस करेंगे तो हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट आज हम एक ओवरव्यू दे रहे हैं. सुशील जी, सो लेट्स कम टू यू नाउ. So Sushil ji, can you share one of the gap areas which you have identified? जो हम लोग previous slide में discuss कर रहे थे about the performance blockers. Am I audible to you, Sushil ji? I think there is some audio. Yeah, right. Yes, Sushil ji. I think आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, कोई ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम है तो I'll come to you then afterwards. Let's move to somebody else now. Anurag ji. So Anurag ji, can you share the actions? Why smart actions are important? High payoff actions and smart actions. Yeah.
Yes. See, smart actions. जो smart का जो full form है, it's a very meaningful in fixing your goals. हम पहले goals fix करते थे, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं चलता कि इसमें जो wordings है smart के, वो actually में बहुत ही meaning है उसमें to fix what our goal should be. हम goal कर देते हैं which are vague, so vague goals will not be achieved. Similarly, जो goals हमने बनाए हैं, they are all very specific, realistic, achievable, attainable. उससे we know how to reach that goal.
Right, very good point. So यहाँ पे मैं I want to share few things which can be really useful to all of us, and which I have also learned from this previous experience and the knowledge from interacting with all of you business owners. Typically, for our smart action, one of the very important action is planning and prioritization. Planning, let's devote some time to planning, because otherwise we'll be involved in firefighting. So we need to move from firefighting to high growth activities. That's very important for business leaders. Those who are managing positions, those who are managing the situations, tough situations, they need to also identify how to detach from those day-to-day situations and devote time towards the high payoff activities, towards the growth activities. And planning and prioritization will help us. That's why we need to follow that meticulous schedule. So what is the cost of Netflix? Anybody, what is the cost of Netflix, Pratik ji? Netflix subscription या Amazon का क्या cost है?
Yes,
Any idea?
Netflix monthly is around $4.99. It depends. If you want to watch on one television or two television, you need to see. There are 2-3 packs are there for monthly and annually.
Yes, so typically this is the cost that we generally see that. हाँ, आपने सही बोला कि ये 400-500 है, depending on the pack that we use, starting from 200, isn't it?
Yes.
But then there is another side of the coin, which is it's not just 200 or 500. If we are devoting extra 2 hours to Netflix every day, then the cost is huge, because 2 hours every day means 2 months in a year.
Yes.
And 2 months you can, know your value.
We can calculate our like minutes and everything for hours. Hours also has a cost when we watch.
Yes.
That
So it means our cost will be in terms of millions of rupees. So that's why we need to be very careful about our actions, what actions we are doing, and prioritizing those actions. Some more high payoff actions are team relationship, team building. How much time are we devoting to team building? Not only the formal team building, but having right relationship, having informal relationships with them. उसके लिए हम कितना time लगा रहे हैं? Then also giving time to innovation, out of box thinking. So all these things are really important. We need to have schedule for these things. And then let's use the modern technologies, planning using simulations. Simulation as a tool also is very useful, which helps us in scenario analysis. I'll show you a small video on simulation and how simulation can help us, because in BizWiz, we provide every participant this particular simulation so that they can do the scenario analysis on their own for the uncertain situations like we are witnessing day in day out. We witness our abhi pandemic mein we have witnessed this situation. So I want to stop this screen, sharing the screen. I'll share the video now. Let's see that video. Okay, just 1 minute it will take. I'll just open the video. Were you able to see the last video? It was audible. The last one जो शुरू में मैंने चलाया था. Okay, so I'll just share the same way I'm sharing it.
Welcome to SimVenture, the award-winning business simulation game allowing people to set up and run a virtual company.
I hope it's audible to all of you.
Not audible, not audible.
Acha, so I'll just share again. Just a minute. Thank you for your feedback. एक बार मैं फिर से शेयर करता हूँ, हो सकता है वो ऑडियो वाला कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ हो. Yeah, I'll just share again. Yeah.
Welcome to SimVenture, the award-winning business simulation game allowing people to set up and run a virtual company.
Is it audible?
And learn about business in an engaging
yes.
and authentic way.
Yes, sir.
This video has been designed to provide a brief introduction to the simulation and covers the basics of how the software functions. The introduction screen in the demo version allows you to load a new game. You can give the company a name and choose from a range of settings to make the game more or less challenging. The default settings shouldn't prove too great a level of difficulty, so I'm going to leave them as they are for this session. The scenario briefing explains the situation within which you will run your virtual business. You are currently building computers in your spare time to sell to family and friends, but hope to make this a full-time occupation at some stage soon. The next screen provides information about the range of help and support you can find in SimVenture. Video tutorials, written instructions, and a virtual advisor provide extensive support, all contained within the software. But SimVenture is designed to be an active learning resource, and most people prefer to dive in and have a go before doing too much reading. SimVenture allows the user to manage their business month by month for up to 36 months. This diagram shows the three-stage process that's repeated throughout the game. So let me show you how that looks in practice. Decisions are made about the tasks that will be completed during the current month. The menu screen provides an overview of the 4 business areas around which the simulation is structured. As you can see, decisions can be made in all major aspects of running a business. There's no limit to the number of decisions I can make in each month. But as with running a real business, the constraints of time, money, and resources will be ever present. Once I've made my decisions, I can click on this button to view the final check screen. This gives me the opportunity to see how my time and money will be used before clicking this button to run the month. My decisions are processed within the simulation, and a range of information is provided for me to evaluate the progress of my business. A key feature of SimVenture is the depth and richness of the information that it provides. From financial statements and forecasts to staff.
So in a nutshell, we have got to know how these simulations can help us. And this is a free gift that we would be giving to each one of you today, because all of you have spared your time. So those who would be there till end and they submit the feedback, they will be getting this simulation basic version complimentary from our side. So we will be emailing to them this simulation so that they can do the scenario analysis. They can know what to be done, when to be done, in what scenario. Of course, so this simulation will be really useful. Now let's move back to what we were discussing, that is the high payoff actions. And that included planning. That's why we were discussing simulation and other tools which help us in improving our planning, giving time to all these high payoff actions. Most of the time we know all these things, but still we are not able to implement. हमें ज्यादातर हम सबको ये चीजें पता है, फिर भी we are unable to implement. It is because of our attitudes, because we impose limitations to ourselves. कि ये मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये मेरी आदत है, मैं तो लेट ही पहुंचता हूं. All these kind of attitudes, negative attitude, creates self-doubts, where then we are unable to do the thing that we want to do. So that's why step number 3 is to focus on to our behavior, changing our behavior, and then further it helps us in changing our execution. So let me share that screen. I'll again go back to that presentation that we were discussing the steps. So let's move to the next step. Yeah, just a minute. So are you able to see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So step number 3 that we were discussing, that is implementation by behavior change. So change behavior leads to change in results. Very important point, because as we discussed, yeah, somebody's voice is coming. Please mute yourself. Yeah, so that we all can listen this smoothly. So coming back to the change behavior, let's understand one important phenomena of success. Success, कोई जना result अच्छा लाता है, जैसे 10th से 11th में आया, and that person has, the student has got positive result, we say the student is successful, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So the result, if we get positive result, that person is more successful. So the higher the result, the better the result, the person is more successful. And what determines the result? What determines our results?
Efforts.
Yes, our efforts, our actions. And what determine our actions?
Our attitude.
Absolutely, the way we think, that is our attitude. That's why we say attitude is everything. And attitude is dependent on what? किस चीज पे attitude हमारा depend करता है, हमारा habit किस चीज से बनता है?
Our permanent behavior, our environment, our thinking process.
Yes, it is because of the external and internal stimuli that we have, that is changing the attitude, that is creating our attitudes. So that's why we say it as conditioning, या हम संस्कार भी कह सकते हैं. और
Yes.
कंडीशनिंग जो डिपेंड करता है, जैसे अचल जी कह रहे थे, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ स्पेस रिपीटिशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट. कि एनवायरनमेंट से कैसा हम इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं और किस एनवायरनमेंट में हम रहते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दे सेइंग पावर ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमिटी. हम जिस संगति में रहते हैं हम वैसे ही बन जाते हैं. So this kind of thing, space repetition, exposures leads to that conditioning. Let's take an example. अगर हम माइंड में अगर हम कोका कोला सुनते हैं तो what comes into our mind when we see this, when we hear this word coke? कोक अगर हम सुनते हैं तो क्या माइंड में आता है? What comes into your mind?
पीने का, कोको कोला पीने का है.
पीने, ड्रिंक आता है, लेकिन कोक इज ऑल्सो अ चारकोल पाउडर. तो लेकिन वो हमारी कंडीशनिंग ऐसे हैबिचुएट हो गई है बिकॉज ऑफ द advertisement, because of the bombarding of the advertisements by the Coke. We now have forgotten the real meaning of Coke and we think that Coke is Coca-Cola. So that is the power of the spaced repetition. Now you can use this same formula for your success, because when you use these positive ideas, when positive ideas is there in your mind through our program, through our process, or you can read a new book which has got a lot of positive ideas and you start applying that, then it will create new conditioning. And then in turn that new conditioning will lead to change behavior, positive attitude, which in turn will lead to focused actions, more results, more success. So that's why we need to focus on this aspect, which is about displacing negative ideas, negative habits with positive ideas and positive habits. And in our long-term programs, BizWiz actually follow this process. And we follow this process, and thousands of people in India have been benefited by this process, and they have been able to transform themselves. So do you want to apply this process to yourself?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. And now we can see this. How many of you have seen or seeing this elephant in front of you? Is there an elephant in front of you?
Yes.
Yes.
So Achalji, have you heard about this story where the elephant, the so mighty elephant, but it is tied up with a chain and it is unable to crush that chain? What is the reason behind that?
Actually जब वो बहुत बेबी होता है ना, तब
Yeah.
उसको बांधा जाता है, एंड वो
Yes.
ट्राई करता है उसको निकालने की, लेकिन वो उसको तोड़ नहीं पाता. फिर उसको पता चल जाता है कि बस ये बंधन है. उसके बाद वो उसको तोड़ता नहीं. जिस दिन तोड़ लेता है उस दिन वो निकल जाता है.
Very well said. Absolutely. We need to remove our
Mindset.
elephant chains, these negative habits. We need to unshackle ourselves so that we can achieve our potential. That's why this third part is very important, third step, where we shift from I can't to I can, from self-doubt to positive expectancy, from fixed mindset to growth mindset. Now let's move towards the fourth point, measuring your ROI and results. Because it's good that we are talking about behavior, we are talking about the execution, but what about the results? Because ultimately, the higher the results, the better is the success. So if we are not managing ourselves in form of measuring the results, then all these things will be fruitless. So that's why we need to take this as a game. कोई भी स्पोर्ट होता है, हर स्पोर्ट में स्कोर होता है. अभी आईपीएल चल रहा है, आईपीएल इज गेटिंग ह्यूज ऑडियंस, बहुत जबरदस्त ऑडियंस आ रही है. एंड इन एनी मैच द स्कोर इज देयर, द गेम इज बीइंग प्लेड ऑन द runs, on the score. Whether you take cricket or football, there is always a score, and that score motivates the players. That score differentiates between the winner and those who have not been the winner. So that's why we need to measure ourselves. We need to have score in all the areas of our life. Score will give us that motivation to go on, because success is progressive realization of predetermined personal worthwhile goals. So it is progressive, and when we say progressive, then we need to measure our progress. Then we will be able to realize our goals. So let's take example. So अभी IPL चल रहा है, 20 ओवर में किसी टीम ने बनाए 250 रन. And if we are not tracking it, the second team is not tracking, और पहले 15 ओवर में बनाए सिर्फ 100 रन, would they be able to achieve in last 5 overs that 150 runs? They won't be able to achieve. So every 5 overs or every 2 overs we need to track. IPL क्योंकि बहुत 2020 फॉर्मेट छोटा फॉर्मेट है. ऐसे ही in our life we need to break down into years and into months, and not only in the months, now in the time span of weeks. Every week we need to check where we are with respect to the goals that we set in. 6 month or an yearly goal is very far flung. कई बार वो demotivate भी करता है कि मैं इतना कैसे achieve कर पाऊंगा, ऐसे mind में आ जाता है. लेकिन जब हम उसको break down कर देते हैं, this helps us a lot. तो एक sharing और करते हैं. Avdesh ji is here with us. Avdesh ji, can you share how this weekly goals, setting weekly goals has helped you?
अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा अवधेश जी को.
Avdesh ji, are you able to listen?
अनम्यूट करिए.
Yes sir, yes sir. I am
Yes sir.
listening you.
Yes. तो आपको ये
Sir, वीकली गोल्स के लिए हम पहले टारगेट वीकली गोल्स के लिए हम पहले सेलेक्ट करते थे कि किस एरिया में हमें वीकली गोल्स रखना है. जैसे मैं अपने कैश के लिए रखता हूँ कि मुझे अपना कैश, पेटी कैश जो है मेंटेन करना है, और मेरा ये वीकली ट्रेंड्स क्या है, किन किन लोगों को मुझे कैश देना है. तो उसकी पूरी प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं कि हम ट्यूजडे को जो कैश की मेरी आउट फ्लो जानी है, बाहर जानी है, मेरे विद इन किस डिपार्टमेंट में कैसे जाना है और किन का पेमेंट जाना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम एक दिन पहले उसका इनफ्लो तैयार करते हैं. तो ये एक पूरे वीक के लिए डे बाय डे एक प्लान बना लेते हैं. ये तो इस तरीके से पेटी कैश के रेस्पेक्ट में. कुछ चीजों को हम अब थोड़ा वीकली प्लानिंग के ऊपर, जैसे मैं डिस्कस करूं अपनी बिलों की एससीएस एंट्रीज को लेके, कि मेरे पास बिलों की एससीएस एंट्रीज है जो कि मेरे वेंडर पेमेंट के हाथ जुड़ी हुई आगे फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग के हाथ में, कि मेरे ट्रांसपोर्ट के बिल्स 32 लाख के होते हैं लगभग. अगर वो इस मंथ में इस डेट तक के बीच में एंट्री हो जाएंगे तो अप्रूवल चेन में नेक्स्ट अगले वीक में आ जाएंगे, और पेमेंट के लिए अगले मंथ की क्रेडिट टर्म के अकॉर्डिंग किस डेट में आएंगे. तो हमें पता रहता है कि फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग वीक बेस पे किस तरीके से तैयार रखनी है, ताकि मेरा कैश इनफ्लो और कैश आउटफ्लो में मैनेजमेंट बन जाए. ये एक थोड़ा कॉर्पोरेट के हाथ भी डिस्कशन रहता है हमारा इस रेस्पेक्ट में.
very good sharing by Avdesh ji. बहुत बढ़िया. So let's move to the next slide. I'll just share the screen again. So there are certain examples are given here, ways of measuring, क्योंकि हम results की बात कर रहे थे and weekly measurement की बात कर रहे थे. So like ROI, operating expenses, capital expenditure, liquidity. So all these are financial measurements. In the same way, we can have measurements in all the areas of our life. जैसे अगर मान लीजिए fitness है तो we can have measurements in the case of kgs and or the number of hours given to the fitness. So these kind of measurements will help us, and then it will lead to transformation. Because when we start learning, retaining, and application happens, it leads to achievement of the goals. Now I am coming to the most important part of the day, which is the certification, because I'll be now providing you the certificates. Those who have recently graduated from our program, they have done, all of them have done our long-term program, 6-month program, EPP, Effective Personal Productivity. So let me congratulate them. First one is Ashwani ji. Yeah, Ashwani ji, here is your certificate. We'll be emailing to you also. Congratulations, Ashwani ji. Are you able to see it, Ashwani ji? Yeah, Ashwani ji, congratulations. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Pleasure, Ashwani ji, that you did our program, and congratulations. We'll be emailing you the certificate. Now, next person is Satyendra ji. I'll be just sharing the screen. This is an e-graduation ceremony that we are having in this post-pandemic. Satyendra ji, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Then Avdesh ji is there. Avdesh ji, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Now I am also sharing some certificate of appreciation. Priyanka will like to say something about their team members, Rahul Sharma, Ajay, Ghanshyam. Can you just share few words about them, Priyanka?
So I would like to share a few words about them. This is our team which works so hard to make our business growth in the path of success, and they are just helping, they are just contributing their best. So Mr. Ajay, Mr. Ghanshyam, Mr. Rahul is as a part of team, and really their way of work is appreciable. So I congratulate them for their way of working and the way they are contributing to our business, and they are just putting their effort to make us in the path of success.
So congratulations. Yeah, to Mr. Rahul Sharma, Mr. Ajay, and Mr. Ghanshyam. I think Mr. Rahul and Ajay is there. They might be busy or they might be having audio problem. So congratulations to them. Now moving to the next part, which is very crucial. So I discussed today the 4 very important points of how this blueprint can help us, how these 4 points are important. The first point was identifying the performance gap. Second is about setting smart goals and smart actions. Third is identifying the behavioral changes and having those behavioral changes to improve the execution part. And the fourth is measuring the results. So those who are new to this process, are they interested in knowing this process and executing in detail how BizWiz and LMI helps in execution? Are they interested in that, knowing about that?
Yes.
So if those who are interested, they can put down on the yes, okay, chat box. Some of you have already said it. So I'll invite Priyanka to discuss about the process, and let me share the screen.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Rahul, just giving us this success blueprint. But one thing I've heard that Mukesh Ambani just shared advice to his son-in-law when he asked about the consultancy and doing business. So he replied that commentary करना एक different thing है और cricket को खेलना एक different चीज है. So exactly our courses are like that. कि आप किसी चीज को जानते हैं that is different thing, लेकिन execution में लेके आना is a different thing. So our key long-term transformational programs helps you to execute what you want to achieve in your life, achieve in your business, and how to increase your profits. So this key long-term transformational programs called EPBT, Effective Personal and Business Transformation. This is a very intensive program, or as we know, if you want to take... Am I audible?
Yes.
So if you want to do a deep it takes time. 1 year program is very intensive. You
कैमरा
will
बहुत
just...
बिक्री है जी का भाव बढ़ गया.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello.
You're audible.
Yes. Camps will definitely transform you completely.
Okay, let me mute. जहाँ से noise आ रही है, एक मिनट मैं उनको mute कर देता हूँ, so that we can listen it.
Yes.
I'll ask all of you to mute yourself. सब लोग एक बार mute कर लें, because we can listen then smoothly.
Yes, as I have told you that this program is intensive program, and it will really help you in complete transformation as a person, as a business people. So this is intensive programs. As I told you, if you want to dig deep something, you have to devote time. So this is our long-term program. And just to try or to taste something, we also offering you, we are happy to share that we made it short also for 1 month program. This effective personal and business transformation programs we are offering you is now in 1 month also. So this 1 month program will help in how to manage liquidity crisis and low cash flows, how to multiply sales, how to make your business model more effective, how to tackle uncertainties. So as Rahul sir has shared with us the benefits, and we are just today came to know about this success blueprint which looks so attractive. I would like to share the benefits of this program. Do less, gain more. So by doing something less and we are gaining more, it's really so attractive to all of us. So it can multiply your cash flows, multiply your sales, reinforcing positive attitude, doing scenario analysis, having happiness quotient. So this program, if I talk about the price, it is very costly because it contains 3 things. Value of the boot camp price, which is 60,000. 1 year classic simulation access, which is about 5,000, and 1 bonus quarterly review session, which is about 10,000. So overall it is around 75,000, but we are offering per person rupees 50,000. And today I'm happy to announce that as seeing this difficult time and pandemic period, we are offering, we just thought to offer these programs only at 19,900 per person, because we have time, we can do work on it. So just depositing rupees 5,000, you can book yourself in this discounted price and take the advantages of this discount. So just think about it, and you may deposit money to join us, and after just take the time to think, I would like our participants' testimonials which they shared with us, the benefits they got from these programs. One I would like from Amit Goyal, Director, Frensco Prince Limited. The program has helped me learning business landscaping, business modeling, cash flow management, using business simulation. So it has helped in preparing the short-term and long-term action plans, which has benefited me in a great manner. So this is from Amit Goyal, who shared his view after doing our program. And the next participant I would like to share their views is Bharat Chosky, Grand Holistic Company Private Limited, Vadodara. He said that 55% increase in the sales in the last quarter over previous quarter with focused approach, cost reduction, which would yield sizable profit on annual basis, completed planning for new projects. So the people who already joined it get benefited. As you have heard, the people who already done it, they also shared their journey about the steps, how it helped them to get success, their returns, their growth. You can also think about it to join it. And for more, I would like to invite again Mr. Rahul Jain. So better we come to know the things, better we will take the decision.
No, so I think you have explained in a very well elaborate manner. Now I would like to come to, first of all, the feedback. I would seek feedback from all of you with respect to the today's master class. This was the master class on do 1%, 100% done success blueprint. And those who will submit the feedback, they will get the simulation access free from our side. So I'm putting down the feedback link. ये बहुत important है हमारे लिए आपका feedback. So I'm just putting down the feedback link. Yeah, just a minute. I'll just put down here on the chat box. So on the chat box, this feedback link is there. So please click the feedback, and then you can share your feedback, and also share the interest in which program, or suppose you have done the program say 6 months, this is a 1 month program which is different from this. This focus of the program is different. Here we'll be telling you about these areas, which is gap analysis, business landscaping, which will help you in strategizing the things, in knowing about the environmental analysis, internal and external environment, how to study that and how to identify the right strategies. So it will help you to progress in your career, in your businesses. Then we'll also use the goal to result system to implement the goals that you will set in, and then reinventing the business model. So here we'll talk about the business model. There are different components of the business model, like the target segment, the cost structure, the revenue, key partners, key resources. So what kind of changes we can do in that business model to improve the wealth and the happiness of the organization which we are running or which we are working. So this business model session will be there, and then scenario analysis using the simulations that I showed you, the simulation. So we will be having one special session on scenario. There would be in total 5 sessions, 1 session per week, and then 1 bonus quarterly review, which will in turn will give you 6 sessions. And of course, there will be lead to sales multiplier process. How can you multiply sales? Just by plugging the gap in the sales process. जैसे हम कई बार existing जो past customers हैं, जिनसे हमारा पहले relation था, अभी उनको हमने भूल गए हैं, उनसे relation हमने जो है ही नहीं, या उनसे connect नहीं हो पाते हम. If we are able to do that, then we will be able to achieve 50% increase in sales. So we'll be giving you certain tools and processes which will help you to multiply the sales. And then of course we'll have 1 session on beautifying your relationship by Priyanka Jain. She is our relationship coach and director. So she'll be guiding you on how we can have the harmony within the family and within the team of our company. So all these things we have brought, and this is being certified by BizWiz Learning. So this 1 month program is, as mentioned by Priyanka, is just 20,000, that is 19,900 right now. And if one want to join, they can just press the link which I have given. They can pay 5,000. Of course, you will not only be getting the this session access for lifetime. You will be getting first 2 session recordings. Plus, you will be getting the access to our Leaders Tribe, that exclusive community, where we'll be doing networking and knowledge exchange. So now I'll invite the questions. Let's have the questions. Anybody who wants to ask something about the blueprint, about the this program, they can ask. And this is the feedback link I am sharing again. Also here, this feedback, there is a section of reference. So you can provide the referrals. So those who are already done the 6-month program, they can also provide referrals, or those who are new, this webinar can benefit to the other people, other business owners, other colleagues. Yeah. So please fill that form. Now coming to your questions. Yeah, Sushil ji, how are you, sir?
Thank you, sir.
What is your major, how is your experience today, and what's your major learning?
I think every leaf that we pick up, we tend to learn something or the other. Even though we may not be, we may be actually aware of it, but have we applied it is a very big question mark. I certainly, having known you for a little while and having checked your patience, because you have a huge patience, Parul, you don't just let it go. You always say, hang on, we'll do something or the other. And today I understand that there are many facets and, let's say many programs that you have. I will certainly speak to you on one-on-one and understand which is more desirable. And of course, it goes without saying, Rahulji, today, if we are stuck somewhere, that means we are unable to untie the knot. We don't know how to go about. And unless otherwise somebody comes as Chanakya or Bhagwan Krishna to step in and to guide us, we will always remain, devoid of those knowledges. And people like you who have cross-section of knowledge and information and data and have worked so hard to become a guru are the ideal people, where we need to have hand-holding and catch you and, take it forward. Because when we are in doubt, whom do we consult? Those who have no knowledge. And believe me, they become the biggest guru, and we believe that they are the right. And that's where we fail miserably. Because often we don't get right people. And very few people, even though they're right, may not be knowledgeable. Being honest is different. Being sincere and being, Sharif hona is a different thing, but being knowledgeable hona is a very different thing. And that can come only through professionals like you who have this cross section of knowledge. Yes, of course, we will certainly be missing that, the physical interaction that we used to normally do, because that empowers and it charges much more better. But nevertheless, I'm very much up for the game, Rahulji. I'm in a learning process at 59 years. I believe the life has just begun. Age is only a number. And, as long as we have that survival, that last breath in us, we need to continue to do our karma. Or Bhagwan Krishna ne baat kahi hai, karma ne vadikaraste kama ma phaleshu kadachanam. Karma to hame karna hi hai. And we cannot remain aloof. Or Shiv Khera kehte hain ki indecision is decision too. I don't know to take a decision also is a decision. So mujhe karma nahi karna hai, ye bhi ek karma hai. So I think, I would be very happy to associate with somebody who has a lot of patience, learning, cross-learning, hand-holding, interacting with colleagues, friends, peers, and, increase and enhance our knowledge, because ultimately, जैसे कहते हैं कि भी जानवर या हम इतने बड़े स्पीशीज, इतने ब्रह्मांड के अंदर में एक स्पीशी है, एक मच्छर जैसे हम मच्छर का वैल्यू नहीं समझते, हम भी मच्छर ही हैं for everybody else, but हम समझते हैं हम ही सब कुछ है. That's the biggest paradox, and the ego takes away our knowledge. So I would be very happy, Rahulji, having seen you, checked you, known you. I'm so sorry I couldn't join you earlier because I was traveling actually, but I did not want to miss this session. So, but yes, I am very much up for the game, sir. And I would request that, we may have lots of issues and questions, personal questions, which probably we are not able to open up. But in a group, I always believe through brainstorming, we get the right kind of message signal and, right kind of mindset. People, when we're talking on the same platform, with everybody having a similar kind of feelings, I'm sure the outcome is absolutely amazing and mesmerizing, sir. So I'm with you. Thank you very much for inviting me, sir.
Great commitment from your side. Even while traveling, you joined the session. So great commitment and great sharing.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's have one more sharing by Prateek ji. He's doing our program since a month time. What is the learning from this session, Prateek ji? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And how is your experience in last 1 month? 2 months, I think.
Like what I was doing earlier, like from last 1 month, since August, I joined this session. And yes, we know everything. Sir had rightly said, we know everything, but we don't do it properly. After joining this session, like the daily reports, the weekly, monthly planning, everything is sorted. It is on the track. And secondly, I never thought about the retirement plan. Like I need to save some lucrative money in our, to safeguard myself for stress, just to bust out that stress. So that is also that one thing I'm on the track. I am opened my PPF account just recently. So that is the planning altogether going on the track. And yes, today's session was also quite well. Already we know that third lesson. We are at the third lesson, but we know all the things. I'm just on the up to the mark. But yes, we are identifying that performance gaps which are coming. Performance curves are there, which we are trying to identifying, and then we are sorting out, and then we are developing that smart goals and that action plans. That is also one of the that is also will be useful in coming time. And lastly, for measuring that results which are coming, like if I plan something in daily tracking sheets or something, if I miss it, definitely it hamper. By end of day, I need to see what are the task accomplishment I have done. So that is also the things I get.
Great going. So we have got just last few minutes because I think this is the weekend. So last 2 minutes I will be taking. I'll now come back to Ashwani ji. But before that, if there's any question from anybody, I will take your questions. Yeah, Jitendra ji saying something. Yeah. How is the experience, Jitendra ji? You have put down something on the chat, I feel. Okay, Jitendra ji, do you want to come in? Okay, now let's move back to Ashwani ji. So Ashwani ji, your parting comments, you have been really, say, a role model in terms of doing the assignment, in terms of doing everything on time, and your results shows that. So what is your experience and any particular message that you want to give to the coming batch, to the batch which is doing right now the program, and the new people who have joined today? Yes.
See, this is one program. If you feel like from the bottom of the heart that we need to bring change in myself, as we know about, professionally, personally, this is the right program to look into it and go ahead with that, as it makes us understand to become more disciplined, more focused, bringing about an attitudinal and behavior change in yourself. There are many things to do in a day-to-day activity, but what is to be done, what is not to be done, what is to be done first, what is to be done last, how to save time, as time is precious, time is money, which we have learned in chapter 2 and 3 in your program, is very, very important. These programs makes us understand to reduce stress on our life, spending time with family, which is very, very important, as we have learned in this program over a phase of time, that what do you want to achieve. To me, physical and health is very, very important, because if we are physically fit and healthy, all other parameters, like, we can build up our career, we can gain money, we can have, peace of life, we can attend social and cultural activities. So what has made LMI to come to this shape over the last 1 year is, we have to be very, very disciplined and focused, follow the right track and path, which has been given and guided by LMI, and rightly so by Rahul ji. Seeing Rahul ji's smiling face makes me more smile double time, triple time, and it gives me strength on a day-to-day basis. Whenever he says me, you have to come on, attend this program, I'm the first person to click on, because this is one program. If we sustain what I have learned in this program in the last 6 months, and the improvements what I have done inside the site and inside the organization in the days to come through this program, hats off to this program, I can say that way. So I must congratulate you for giving me and my team, who are also a part to this program, making them understand what is to be done in life to make changes in their own life, in their own family, and of course in their professional career. Thank you very much, Rahul ji, once again.
Welcome, and it has been really a great experience with all the leaders out here, because I am a facilitator. All of you are the leaders. I am the facilitator, which helps you to become better leaders. Secondly, कुछ हमने initiatives भी लिए हैं अभी online होने से. In fact, pandemic जो आया है उससे we have converted this crisis into opportunity to give more value to our participants. Like we have given this lifetime access to our Google Classroom, which has got classroom recordings. First 2 sessions are being recorded so that participant can play anytime that recordings. So I'll request all of you to join the Google Classroom. जिन्होंने नहीं join किया, जो हमारे already जो program कर रहे हैं, that's a access given to you. अश्वनी जी, आप भी join करना उसको. I will share the link with you.
Sure, sure.
दूसरा एक और जो चीज हमने करी है, which is Leaders Tribe. So we are building a community, online community, where I have got more than 10,000 people who have learned from me and learners. So अभी सिर्फ 25-30 ही सिर्फ अब, क्योंकि अभी start ही किया, लेकिन we are spreading it out. Soon it will be in hundreds and thousands, because in last 15-16 years I have crossed more than 10,000 people who have learned from me. So yeah, long term, I'm not talking about one day, one webinar or something like that. These people have done long term programs from me, from BizWiz. And so they will be in one platform at Facebook community, where this will be sent to our community leaders tribe. So let us take this leaders tribe, let us help each other in terms of sharing knowledge, in terms of helping each other. So I'll be sharing the link also in your WhatsApp groups, on your WhatsApp message. जिन्होंने नहीं join किया, join that group. Those who are already part of the this community, alumni community or current participants, take the benefit of all these new changes which we are doing. Yeah, of course. So I'll not take much time now. All of you have been really patient. आप लोग last तक बने रहे हैं हमारे साथ. Saturday है, weekend है, family भी wait कर रही होगी. तो नमस्कार all of you. Thank you for your time. Congratulations to those who have participated, those who have passed out. Today they have got the graduation certificate. Congratulations to them. Congratulations to those who are doing the program, and all the other participants, those who have shown that keen commitment to improve themselves. So stay connected with us, and also if you have any queries further, you can email or call us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Happy weekend.
Thank you very much. Thank you.